Hello everyone, I am Zeyu Huang, and today I will introduce Oshakatsu to you guys. So, what is Oshakatsu? Oshakatsu is Japanese New Year, and it is one of the most important festivals in Japan. People will start preparing for Oshakatsu at the end of December and celebrate it in January. In this period, people will do a lot of activities. Therefore, today I will talk about a main event, Hatsumoto, and several interesting small activities during the Oshakatsu. First is Hatsumoto. Hatsumoto means people visiting Jinja and praying, which hope next year can be a lucky year. For preparing Hatsumoto, people always line up at Jinja in the midnight of December 31st. The Hatsumoto will start after the bell ring 108 times. Also, people must wash their hands in a pool before starting the Hatsumoto. When you finish the preparations, you will go to the main building in the Jinja and throw 5 yen into the cash box, then shake the bell above you. Finally, put your hands together and clap twice. This movement means that you hope yourself can be lucky in the next year. The people will go to get omikuji after that. Omikuji is a paper which written with your fortune and warning in the next year. After reading the contents of omikuji, people will remember the warning and tie the omikuji on the jinja's tree. At that period, Hatsumoto is finished, but you still can stay in the jinja and buy some drink or food to take a break. Next is Kadomatsu and the Kagami Mochi. At January 1st, Japanese people will use Kadomatsu to decorate the main door and use Kagami Mochi to consecrate the god. Kadomatsu is a decoration which made by bamboo and pine branches. Also, it have a meaning for have a longer life. Kagami mochi is a kind of rice cake which used to concentrate the gods and pray for a peaceful new year. By the way, people will eat Kagami mochi in January 15th, and it's usually made into rice cake soup or fried rice cake. Third is Toshitama and the visiting relative. Toshitama is a special pocket money which given by elder family members or relatives. During the Oshakatsu, only the kids can get the Toshitama, and the different package of Toshitama have different meaning. Furthermore, people has a traditional way to visiting relative, and I think it is good to visiting relative because it can increase the relationship between you and your relatives, and also kids can get more toshitama during the period. All in all, Shokatsu is a nice festival. Next winter vacation, maybe you can go to Japan and feel it. Thanks for watching.